Hey guys, how we doing tonight? Hope everybody's doing great. So today I have a simple but maybe time-consuming project. I have a couple of perfume bottles that I want to bling out, and I think that the end result will be cute and I can put it on my shelf, maybe in my bedroom or bathroom. So keep watching and let's do this thing. All right, we have our perfume bottles. This one is Burberry and this one is Coach. So the first thing I want to do is I want to bling out this lid, but I'm going to leave the top part because it already says something on there and it looks nice. So I'm just going to I have this sparkly adhesive and we've used this on previous projects. I just have a little bit left. So I want to do the border like this, you know? So I've got my scissors because I'm probably not going to use all of that. Okay, and then looks like we need to cut it right about there. Okay. I think that looks nice. All right, and then now I have a wider strip and I want to go around the neck of the lid. Okay, so then I just need to cut it right about there. Okay, I like it. I think it looks cute so far. Now, I don't want to do anything really on the front because it already has this cute little heart. So I think I'm going to do 2 strips down the side. Okay, so that's it for this one. And I don't think that it needs anything else. I actually really like that. So this one is done. Okay, so for this one, I want to start on the front here. And I have this mirrored tile. So I don't have a lot. This is basically all I have. Like there's just a little tiny bit more. So I'll probably just do the front. I might have enough for the sides. Okay, and so it has adhesive, which is nice. Okay, and then I'm going to get some Windex and clean that off before we are done. Now, let's just see. Oh yeah, we'll have enough to do the sides as well. Okay, and then let's see, for the top, so the last step is going to be the lid. And for that one, I want to do something a little bit different. So I have these little, I don't know, it's for vase filler. But they're kind of pokey on the bottom. So I just wonder if we can bling out the top and really make it pop with these. So we're gonna try it. You know, if I don't like it, then I could take it off. Maybe. I'm gonna use this Gorilla Glue. So let's go ahead and try that. All right, so this is the top so far, and so this is what it looks like right now. So I have to decide if I want to do that same thing on the bottom part here, or if I want to use something different. So let me think on that for a minute, and then we'll decide. You guys, do you want to hear something gross? I knew you would. Okay, so check this out. There's these little monkeys, and they're called, I think, capuchin monkeys. They're those little tiny ones. I don't know where they're from, but I know I've seen them in Florida. I don't think they're native there, but anyways, so when they are feeling horny, you know, they want to get with a lady, they will wash their hands and feet in pee and then, you know, go mingle with the women because they think the ladies like that. I don't even know, dude. I really don't even know what to say on that one. Gross. Okay, so I thought about it and I've decided that I do want a little bit of color in there. So I'm gonna use the rest of this just around the edge there. And I probably won't even use all of it. Okay. So we have this beauty. Oh, I love it. And this beauty. So that's it, guys. I really like that. And you know what? Look how simple that was. You know, it really didn't even take that long, except for this part, but you know, I think it was worth it. So thanks for coming. I hope you guys had fun. This was just a simple one, but you know, exquisite nonetheless. So have a great day, you guys. Love you.